Hello friends, today we'll discuss about what is dictionary, how we create a dictionary, how we add elements in the dictionary, how to access an element from a dictionary, how to join to dictionary, how to get the length of a dictionary, adding items, removing items, pop item, delete a dictionary, clear dictionary, copy a dictionary, nested dictionary. Hello friends, you are watching Shubham Nain channel. Subscribe my channel, and to see all upcoming updates in my video, select this to get a notification. And if you like the video, hit the like button. So what is dictionary? A dictionary is a collection which is unordered, changeable, and indexed. In Python, dictionary are written with curly braces and they have key and a values. Let's see how. A dictionary equals to curly braces, and now you will pass some keys and values. Brand, let's take it old, and another model of that car is Mustang. Year 1964. This is how we define a dictionary. Now to see the dictionary, access the item of a dictionary. We can use a square brackets to get access to a dictionary. We have to pass the key name, which is brand, model, and year in DIC1 dictionary. Let's check the model for it. Model is Mustang, and DIC1 model, let's take year, and there is another method to get the same result. We use the get method. X equals to dic1 dot get model. It's Mustang, and now moving on, how to change a key value of a dictionary. DIC1 year, let's take 2015. The DIC1, so year is replaced by 2015. Loop in dictionary, it will return you just the values for x in dic1 colon print the value of x. Okay, you got all keys. Now if you want all the values, then you will do like this. For x in dic1 colon print this one dot x. So let's see. First, it will get the value, X value will be brand, and this brand will pass to here. And as we seen above, if we pass key value to a dictionary, then it return value of that dictionary. Now it will return brand is Ford, model Mustang, year 2015. And there is another way to get the values for a dictionary. X in dic1 dot values colon print X. And if you want both the values and the key, we can do like this. For X and Y in dictionary dot items. This is the method to get keyword, key, and a value. Parent X comma Y. The brand Ford, model Mustang, year 2015. And how to check if certain key is present in a list. If model in DIC1 parent, I get to know the key for dictionary. Yeah, it's true. Then we get this. This means there is a model key in a dictionary one. And how to get the length of a dictionary? We know the length method, length, and pass the dictionary to it as an argument to that method or a function. It has three length. Then moving on to the next, add item to a index value. Let's see, dict. I want to add color. New QN value. Color. I red, like red color. I prefer red. dic1. So it added one new value, that is color red. And to remove an item, we use a pop method. dic1 dot pop. It removed the last element added to a list. Sorry, no, it's not pop. It was a pop item that I was referring about. Pop, for the pop we have to pass a key to it. Let's say model, and yes, let's pop out the model. Let's check it if it remove the model from a dictionary. Now to remove the last element from a dictionary, we use pop item. Now this will remove color as a red from a dictionary. Now moving on to the next, if you want to delete entire dictionary, then you use del keyword. Now pass it And now let's see if it's present or not. So it's clear name, this one is not defined here. So let's take the dictionary again, copy it, use it, and there is another method to clear the dictionary or to make the dictionary empty. We use clear method for that. dic1, you can see that dictionary is empty now. So we have to again pass it to do more. If you want to copy a dictionary to another dictionary, we use copy command. Copy method. Now to check if it works, that yeah, it has been copied into another account. And there is another method we can use to copy. It's a cast method, casting method, like dic equals no, dic2. Let's take it 3 equals to dict bracket and pass dictionary. So it's same as that copy method but different form. And there are some method for the dictionary. You can perform a nested dictionary. My family equals to, let's see, child 1 colon name really I don't like to comma year colon two zero zero four comma child 2 curly same name colon Tobis year 2007. I should remove this one. Now it will work perfectly fine. Oh, sorry, this and my family. Okay, it's called nested dictionary. Now, if you want to get a child second detail, then you should pass child 2. Now you get the name and if you want the name of that child, then you pass another key to it, name. Okay. And if you don't want a name, then you can pass instead of name you can write year. Thank you friend, this was all for today. Hope you like the video. If you have any doubt, then please comment below and please subscribe to my channel. In the next video, we will talk about if else statement in Python. Bye bye. See you in next video.